today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your Patreon page. If you're taking a break, reworking your tiers, or preparing a relaunch, unpublishing your page is a quick way to hide it from the public without deleting anything. Your content and settings stay intact, and you can come back to publish again when you're ready. First, open Settings. Log into your creator account and look for the Settings option in the left sidebar. Make sure you're in your creator view, not a patron view, so you see all the page controls. If you manage more than one workspace, double check you're on the correct creator page before you continue. Clicking Settings will take you to a panel with several tabs that control your page's basics, branding, and preferences. Next, locate the button. You'll want to be on the Page Settings tab. This is where most of your core page configuration lives. Scroll all the way to the very bottom of that tab. The Unpublish control is placed low on the page to prevent accidental clicks, so don't worry if you don't see it at first. Keep scrolling until you reach the section that references the visibility of your creator page. Now click the Unpublish Your Creator Page button. Selecting this won't immediately hide your page. Instead, it opens a confirmation step. Think of this as a safety catch. Before you proceed, take a quick pause to ensure you've saved any edits you were working on. Unpublishing won't erase your setup, but it's always a good habit to finish any draft changes. Finally, confirm. A pop-up will appear with details about what unpublishing means. Read this carefully so you know what to expect. In general, your page will no longer be publicly discoverable, and new visitors won't be able to sign up while it's unpublished. Your existing content remains safe, and nothing is permanently removed. If everything looks right, click Confirm to finalize. After a moment, your page's status will update and the public view will be turned off. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. Consider letting your audience know why you're going dark and when you expect to return, especially if you share links elsewhere. When you're ready to go live again, you can come back to the same page settings area and publish your page with just a click. That's it. Simple, secure, and fully reversible. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you confidently unpublish your Patreon page when you need to.